Good morning. Let me tell you the story of the fox and the leopard. A fox and a leopard resting lazily after a generous dinner amused themselves by disputing about their good looks. The leopard was very proud of his glossy spotted coat. The fox, on the other hand, prided about his bushy tail with its tip of white, but he was wise enough to see that he could not rival the leopard in terms of its beauty. Still, he kept a flow of a sarcastic talk. You know, he's a fox. He made that talk just to exercise his wit and to have fun of disputing. The leopard was just about to lose his temper when the fox, at the last minute, got up, yawning lazily. "You may have a very smart coat," the fox said, "but you would be a great deal better off if you had a little bit more smartness inside your head and less on your ribs, the way I am. That is what I call real beauty." The moral lesson of the story is that a fine coat is not always an indication of a smart and attractive mind. We are always fooled by how beautiful some people are. But when we sit with them, when we talk with them, when we give them a penny for thought, sometimes it's really hard to extract a good idea out of their head just because they're empty vessels. So don't be fooled by appearances. Don't be deceived by appearances. And don't judge the book by its cover. Try to always weigh people by their mind and ideas and not by their appearances. Thank you very much. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.